In the event that you're searching for torrential slide cost expectations, figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of torrential slide will go from now on. We will generally break down the past costs of torrential slide and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners incredibly. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable. However, we will by and large make an honest effort, which is genuinely critical. We should begin. Torrential slide, all things considered, past value investigation, which is genuinely critical. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of torrential slide is $17.49 and AVAX is right now position number 16 in the whole crypto-biological system. The flow supply of torrential slide certainly is 325,634,178 with a market cap of $5,695,667,036 in an unpretentious manner, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The torrential slide's cost has shown a decent increment of 3.03% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the AVAX was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.25%. Torrential slide has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of a VAX diminished by 13.582%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $2.75 from its ongoing worth, which is very huge. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase, a potential open door for fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is around 25.73%, and the cost circled from a base typical cost of $12.93 to in every way that really matters, most extreme normal cost of $13.50 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, or so they thought. In fundamentally most recent 4 months, torrential slide has shown a developing pattern in a by and large huge manner. Hence, we explicitly believe that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide especially is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost in a significant manner. The coin is up by 30.42% with the sort of most extreme typical cost of the coin by and large was around $15.41 and the base typical cost of explicitly was around $13.56 in beyond 4 months. We anticipate future torrential slide cost expectations. A VAX conjecture by applying profound by and large man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of torrential slide. We for the most part give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the AVAX coin which incorporate different boundaries like kind of past value, torrential slide market cap, torrential slide volume and not many in every practical sense, more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and for the most part need great profit from your ventures, essentially make a point to peruse our expectation. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. The cost of one torrential slide is supposed to generally reach at a kind of least degree of $20.03 in 2023. The AVAX cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $23.23 with the typical cost of $20.79 all through 2023. Torrential slide value expectation 2024. The cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at an essentially least worth of $30.06 in 2024. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $34.28 with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging cost of $31.10 all through 2024 in an unpretentious manner. AVAX value gauge for 2025 according to the figure cost and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at an especially least degree of $44.51, which is genuinely huge. The AVAX cost can arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of $51.10 with the typical exchanging cost of $46.07. Torrential slide value expectation 2026. Torrential slide cost is gauged to sort of arrive at a most reduced essentially conceivable degree of $65.09 in 2026, or so they thought. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $77.35 with the typical figure cost of $66.94 in a significant manner. Torrential slide value expectation 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on sort of past value information of a VAX. In 2027, the cost of torrential slide is gauged to be at around a fundamentally least worth of $92.04. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at a really limit of $109.36 with the typical exchanging worth of $95.38 in USD. Truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value expectation 2028 as per our profound specialized examination on truly past value information of a VAX. In 2028, the cost of torrential slide is anticipated to reach at least degree of $137.90. The AVAX cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $162.70 with the typical exchanging cost of $142.67. Torrential slide value expectation 2029 according to the conjecture and specialized examination. In 2029, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of $197.61. The AVAX cost can by and large arrive at a greatest value worth of $241.75 with the especially normal worth of $203.32. Or so they thought. Torrential slide value gauge 2030. The cost of torrential slide in a real sense is in every practical sense anticipated to really reach at least degree of $296.93 in 2030. The torrential slide cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $352.96 with the sort of typical cost of $307.10 all through 2030. Torrential slide value forecast 2031. The cost of torrential slide for the most part is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $416.90 in 2031. The torrential slide cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $510.91 with the typical exchanging cost of $429.19 all through 2031, which is genuinely huge. Which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation 2032. Torrential slide cost is gauged to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $594.41 in 2032 in an unpretentious manner. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $711.35 with the typical gauge cost of $611.58 in an unpretentious manner. What will be the AVAX most noteworthy figure cost for 2023? The AVAX cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $23.23 toward the finish of 2023. How genuinely much in all actuality does torrential slide cost in 2024? The cost of torrential slide will increment as additional financial backers essentially engage in the task. In year 2024, torrential slide will essentially be worth about a normal cost of $31.10. Is torrential slide a wise venture? Avalanche's worth sort of is supposed to keep on extending, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise, which is genuinely critical. Kindly note, there generally is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the most extreme exploration conceivable in opposition to mainstream thinking. What amount will torrential slide be worth